If you have an urge to live in East Tennessee, but Knoxville isn't for you, then you're in luck, because I'm going to share with you 6 East Tennessee towns that you can live in that are not Knoxville. And we're going to get started right. Hello and welcome back to All Things Tennessee with me, Ben Barreto, your local real estate pro and relocation expert for East Tennessee. Today I'm going to share 6 lesser known towns in East Tennessee that aren't Knoxville, places that you can live in or you can visit. These towns provide anyone with a fresh start and new adventures. So even if you live in the area, these are towns that you should go check out. Not everyone wants to live in Knoxville. The city is not always the ideal place for some people to live in. Many people move here to get away from city life. So why would they move back into a city? It doesn't make a lot of sense, right? Other reasons that people might not want to live in the Knox County area might be because availability is scarce. For the type of home they want to buy. Maybe they want more land. Maybe they want to avoid HOAs. Maybe they work somewhere and Knoxville is too much of a commute. Many other factors. So in this video, we're going to point out several towns that you can choose to look into that offer various price points, different ways of life, different benefits that might not be as easy to find in Knox County or Knoxville. The first town that we're going to look at is one you've probably heard of, and that's Chattanooga, Tennessee, which is a vibrant city with a unique blend of urban and outdoor experiences for anybody. The city sits on the Tennessee River and it has a charming river walk and downtown area that's always got something going on. Now, Chattanooga is located southwest of Knoxville, about an hour and a half drive or 106 miles down the I-75. The name Chattanooga comes from the Creek Indian word for rock coming to a point, and this refers to Lookout Mountain, one of the city's major tourist attractions. Here, visitors can explore extraordinary rock formations, see roaring enclosed waterfalls, and travel by train to the top of the mountain. And when they get there, they get a truly awesome view of the surrounding areas. Back down on the ground, that you have the world's largest freshwater aquarium at the Tennessee Aquarium, and history enthusiasts would love the city's museums dedicated to the Civil War, Native American history, and 20th century history. More than anything, Chattanooga is a scenic city full of natural wonders waiting to be explored by foot, car, bike, or train. Next, we're going to look at Maryville. And this area is a peaceful, welcoming town. It's nestled against the backdrop of the Great Smoky Mountains. Now, this small town offers charm, community events, local markets, events from farmers markets to flea markets to neighborhood yard sales and more. Maryville is an up-and-coming area located about 23 minutes from downtown Knoxville in a southern direction, following the US 129 south. Now, one of the best parts of this area in and around Maryville is that it's perfect for outdoorsmen and outdoors women looking for short travel times to go do their weekend things like hiking, kayaking. If you want, you got the Smokies nearby. You also got the Little River right there. Maryville does fall in Blount County, but it is referred to as a suburb of Knoxville. The city sits, again, just about 20 minutes or so from downtown Knoxville, about 30 minutes from the Smokies in the other direction. Now, I am forewarning you, Maryville is a popular area. I'm sure you've heard of it, and it's a hot commodity right now. So home prices in this area can be high. The competition can be fierce. So if you come to Knoxville or East Tennessee looking to live in Maryville or buy in Maryville, you're going to need to bring your A game and your wallet. Now, here's a place you may not have heard of, and that's going to be the quaint town of Jonesboro, Tennessee, one of Tennessee's oldest towns that is rich with history and character. Now, this town of Jonesboro was founded by European Americans in 1779. That's 17 years before Tennessee became a state. Jonesboro is located east of Knoxville, about an hour and 40 minutes or 93.4 miles if traveling the I-40 east. Now, the historic Main Street is lined with 19th and 20th century architecture, cozy cafes, and shops. Now, the Main Street is also on the National Register of Historic Places. So if you're a history buff, or you're just into history, you're going to love this area. In addition to the history, Jonesboro is known as the storytelling capital of the world. And you'll easily discover this as you find people walking the streets dressed in historic outfits, telling legends and history of the town and the people that live there. You'll also find a constant flow of festivals of all types in this area, from storytelling festivals, music, art, and more. Moving on from there, we come to Johnson City, Tennessee, which is a vibrant college town that's just bursting with arts and music scenes. Johnson City is located about 2 hours east of Knoxville, or 106 miles using the I-40 east to the I-81 north. Now, this area is nestled in the foothills of the scenic Appalachian Mountains, and Johnson City, Tennessee combines somewhat of a city amenities or city lifestyle with southern charm, and it's a world-class area for outdoor recreation, and it is a destination for a lot of people that want to come here for those outdoor recreations. Now, whether you're looking for your next adventure, hiking, fishing, camping, or you just want a leisurely weekend retreat, or your family just needs a friendly vacation, then you can find all of that in Johnson City. Johnson City is located in Washington County and is home to East Tennessee State University, with Milligan University, Northeast State Community College, and Tusculum College, all nearby as well. Hey, before highlighting the 5th and 6th towns that you can either move to or visit and that aren't Knoxville, I'd love for you to take a minute and go to www.bendreamhomes.com, bookmark that page, and then use it as a resource for your, as one of your resources as you look into East Tennessee. My website offers a ton of benefits, from the blog with a ton of information, resource tabs about different areas, as well as different people that may help making a move here easy. You've got home search tools and a whole lot more. That's bendreamhomes.com. Now, most of all, you can use that website to stay in touch with me and use me as your boots on the ground resource as you plan a move, a retirement, or a visit to East Tennessee. And also, while you're here, make sure to do the YouTube stuff like and subscribe. 5th on the list is Cookeville, a hub of natural beauty and recreational opportunities dotted with numerous nearby state parks, waterfalls, and hiking trails. Everywhere you go in East Tennessee, you're going to have a lot of opportunity to do outdoor stuff. That's probably been a common theme with all these towns. Cookeville is located about an hour and 36 minutes west of Knoxville, or 102 miles via the I-40 West. Cookeville is the county seat and largest city of Putnam County. It's recognized as one of the country's micropolitan areas, or smaller cities, which function as a significant regional economic hub. Of the 20 micropolitan areas in Tennessee, Cookeville is the largest. Living in Cookeville offers residents a dense suburban feel, and most residents rent their homes. In Cookeville, there are a lot of parks, state parks and local parks. Many young professionals live in Cookeville, and residents tend to be on the conservative side, just like most of Tennessee. The public schools in Cookeville also are above average. Alright, last but definitely not least is Tellico Village. Now, if you have looked into retiring in East Tennessee, then you've definitely discovered Tellico Village. This idyllic lakeside community that's nestled on the shores of Tellico Lake offer the best golfing, boating, and other water activities in the area. Tellico Village is located in Loudoun County and is 43 minutes, it's a 43-minute drive west of Knoxville, or 35.9 miles using the I-40 West. Now, the area of Tellico Village provides its residents with a strong and close sense of community, where the majority of the people are homeowners and retired homeowners that take a ton of pride in their community and have various clubs and organizations to keep everyone busy and socializing. Nestled in the Tennessee foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains, as most of these areas we've discussed are, Tellico Village is a premier active adult retirement community situated again on the Tellico Lake, and it was established in 1987. and it has become one of the best retirement communities, the most sought after retirement communities in the Southeast. With a moderate four-season climate, the village is within a day's drive of most of the major attractions in East Tennessee. So it's a great location for anyone looking to settle down and likes to swing a golf club every day. Is that how you swing a golf club? As you can see, Knoxville is not the only destination in East Tennessee for you to move to or visit. If you find yourself looking to East Tennessee for vacation or to move to, you should definitely consider one of these locations rather than just looking at Knoxville or Gatlinburg for vacation, for that matter. Well, that's it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video, checking out everything I do. I really appreciate it. As always, I hope you have a great rest of the day, great rest of the week, and I will see you next time.